Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, this is Peace, and today we are making some pineapple juice. So these are our pineapples, very ripe pineapples actually. They are the ones we need. So we have pineapples here, we have some cardamom here. This is green cardamom because it smells better than the white one. Right here we have our ginger. We need a lot of ginger. And then we have our tea leaves. I always use any tea leaves that I get. There is no specific type of tea leaves. So these are tea leaves, 50 grams, and then water. That's all we'll need for our recipe today. So you start by washing up all your things. So I'm done washing them. I washed my pineapples and the ginger. Then after washing, you go ahead and heat the pineapple. You heat it thoroughly to make sure it's soft all through. So you heat it while turning on all the sides to make sure every side is soft. So you can see right now our pineapple is very soft and the juice is even coming out. So we have this second one. Look at what we did. So we had to eat part of it, which is very okay. And this one right here is for you. So I'll hit this one too. Hit this one also like that. Make sure you don't skip this part, because if you skip it, your juice will not come out well. So after heating them, you go ahead and cut into pieces, very tiny pieces actually. So these ones are the only things I'll throw from this pineapple. The rest of it, I'll use it. You don't peel off the cover, you use it. So you see how the juice is pouring out of the pineapple. So you cut into small chunks like these ones. So we are done cutting our pineapples, and you can see the juice that comes out as the effect of heating it before cutting. So right now I'll go ahead and crush our ginger. So in this recipe we need a lot of ginger. You make sure you add a lot of it. In our saucepan, I'll go ahead and add our pineapples. You add the pineapples, then the ginger. You put all of it. Then the crushed cardamoms. These are used to change the smell of the pineapples, which is very optional actually. And then our tea leaves. So I'll put the whole packet. Then we'll go ahead and add our water. So that's enough, and that's all we need for this recipe. So right now I'll just cover and put on fire. So that's how our juice looks like right now. Isn't that amazing? It's hard to see through because of the much smoke that is coming out of it, but you can see how it has changed color, and that's due to the tea leaves we put. Right now our juice is ready and we've taken it off the fire. You can now see the color. It's hard to see because of the smoke, so I'll let it sit for some time. I'll actually keep it somewhere and let it stay there until it's totally cool, until it's completely cool. Right there, look at that. So until it's cool, that's when we shall sieve it. So for now, let me just go and keep it somewhere. Right now our juice has finished cooling down and it's time for sieving. So this is how we sieve it. We just scoop and pour. So you just keep on sieving it like that. Look at how our juice looks like. So this juice is very delicious and healthy. You can either add some honey if you want it to be more sweeter, or sugar if you wish, but you can still take it the way it is. I actually added little water when I was boiling, so I'll have to dilute it before taking because this one is so strong. That's why it's actually a little darker.
Sweetie tangawizi. Sweetie tangawizi.
Sweetie. So after sieving, you can go ahead and chill it in the fridge if you have one. If you don't have, you can get some ice. But if you can't get ice, then you can still take it the way it is. But it tastes better when it's chilled. So that's our juice. So right there, that's our juice. This juice is really delicious. Just look at the color. It really tastes better when it's chilled. So if you can go ahead and chill yours, you'll get the best result out of it. Cheers from me to you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.